Hi everyone, this is Net Signature. So today I'll be teaching you how to make this beautiful reversible hair bonnet. It is very easy to make. If you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to guide you on how to make yours. It is a hair bonnet that you can rock, just one hair bonnet, but you can rock it two ways, and it is very neat and easy. So if you are new to my channel, I make DIYs every week and sewing and cutting videos every week. So I upload videos every week. So please do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. And drop your comment in the comment section. I want to see, after watching this video, I want to hear your comments. Drop your questions there. The tutorials you want me to do, please drop it in the comment section. So this is the material I'll be using, the fabric I'll be using for this tutorial. So we'll be needing a satin fabric. Can be duchess, can be just bridal satin, and you just need two satin fabric. One can be plain, one can be pattern. You can use satin, you can use Ankara. So it all depends on you. Okay, so this is what I'll be using. You don't need much fabric. You'll be needing your elastic also. So what I did now is to get my plain fabric, which is the satin. So I folded it into two. Can you see? I folded it into two. Let me place it where so that you can see it. So after folding it into two, I measure this part to confirm the length of this part, which is 14 inches, but I need 13 inches. Okay, so what I did was to refold it again to 4, as if I want to cut a 360-degree flare. So if you want your hair bonnet to be big, you can make it 14. If you want it to be smaller than this, you can make it 12, 11. Okay, so after making this one is even is a little bit big. So if you want yours to be smaller, you can make it 11, 12 inches. But for this one, I made it 13 inches. So after folding it into 4, I'll go ahead and measure all the way around to confirm if it is 14 inches all the way around. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go to the apex, that particular angle 90 over there. I'm going to, from there, I'm going to measure 13 inches like so. Okay, so if you know how to cut 360-degree flare, this will be easy for you. But if you don't know how to cut it, you can follow the procedure. So you go ahead and mark at 13 inches, or measure 13 inches, and you mark it like so. Can you see? You just have to be patient. So go ahead and mark it all the way round. Okay, 13 inches. Okay, so I'll also mark it at some parts I did not mark so that it will be accurate. So please, you have to exercise patience. If not, you will not get a better circle. So go ahead and connect all the points or all the lines like so. Okay, so go ahead and connect all the lines without going outside the line. So after doing that, the next thing is to cut. So I'll go ahead and cut this off. So if you can go ahead and pin it before cutting, so to avoid shifting. So the fabric, if it is a very light fabric, maybe not as thick as bridal satin, because I'm using bridal satin, it's going to shift. If you are using duchess, it might shift. Okay, so I'm going to fold out that fabric, the pattern fabric, into 4. Can you see? So I folded it into 4. So all I did was to place this plain fabric on top the pattern fabric. Like I told you, you can use Ankara, you can use non-stretchy fabric, plain and pattern. You can also use plain and plain. You can use white at one side, black at the other side, pink at one side, blue at the other side. It all depends on your creativity. So go ahead and align it. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make sure they are equal so that it doesn't give me problem while joining both together, because if one is bigger than one, it will cause problem while joining. You find difficulties while sewing it together. So ensure one fabric is not stretchy. If one fabric is stretchy, it's going to give you, and the other one is not stretchy, it's going to give you also difficulties in joining both fabric together. So can you see? So I'm through cutting it. So I'll go ahead and spread it. Okay, I'll go ahead and spread it open. You can see that it's big. So if you want yours to be a little bit smaller, you can make yours 11. You can make yours 12. Okay, so this is what I did. I went ahead to spread it like so. Okay, so I use right side facing right side. If you check this, my pattern fabric, one side is like satin, while the other side is plain. And it's not it's just normal surface of a fabric. Okay, so the texture of that other one is somehow shiny, while the other texture is not shining. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm just showing you how it looks. That is a full circle fabric. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to sew all the way around, join everything together, don't leave any space. So that's what I'm going to do. Go to my sewing machine, make sure you align it together, the edge reaching the other edge, so it won't give you problem. Okay, so after sewing, this is how it looks. This is how it looks after joining. So I'll turn it the other way so you can also see how it looks. Okay, so all right, the other way also look the same way as this way. So we just go ahead and mark at 3 inches at any edge, any edge of your choice. 3 inches, just it's a circle, so go ahead and mark 3 inches and draw a triangle like so. So after drawing out the triangle like so from the 3 inches downward, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut it. I'm going to cut it out. I hope you understand. So go ahead and cut yours like so. So after cutting, I'm taking my time to explain so that you'll be able to make yours after watching the video. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn it over with this opening. Can you see? Turn it over with this opening. So after turning it over, this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. So I've flipped it to the pattern side. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to measure whichever side you want to start with. Okay, I'm going to measure half an inch. I'm going to measure half an inch, and I'm going to sew it all the way around because that's where I'm going to attach the elastic. So I'm going to sew it all the way round. So I'll go up and sew that so I can show you how it looks. So you sew it gradually, you do not rush, sew it gradually and hold both fabric together so that one will not be longer than or wider than one. Okay, so this is how it looks. So I've sewn it like so. So the next thing I'm going to do right away now, I've not ironed it, so when I iron it, it is going to really come out very good. Okay, so at this edge, I forgot to tell you something. I left 1 inch before this edge. Can you see? I left 1 inch here. I didn't sew 1 inch. I left 1 inch before I started sewing. Then I end 1 inch before this other edge again. I hope you understand. So that 1 inch will enable us fold in the rough edges that will cut at that triangle. I hope you get what I'm saying. So for your elastic, I'll just go ahead and cut. You go ahead and measure your client's head. So you can go ahead and measure 14. You can go ahead and measure 14, whichever size your clients have. So go ahead and measure it. So 14 can be 17. It all depends on you. So with this, I'm going to attach my safety pin. Then after attaching it, then I'll pass it through the hole, and I'm going to pass it all the way round like so. Okay, I'm going to pass it all the way around like so. Can you see? You have to be patient. Then while dragging it this way, you have to be careful so that the other edge of the elastic do not go inside, thereby giving you double work. Can you see? So just go ahead and do that quickly. So after doing that, after dragging to an extent that the elastic is already inside, you can go ahead and use your pin to secure it. See, I was lucky. If not, this would have entered. Okay, so I just secured it with a pin, or you can use your sewing machine to just secure that end first. Then you can continue um, dragging the elastic, passing through the um, opening there. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, turn off the notification bell. Please comment, tell me about this video. Did you enjoy it? Were you able to make yours? Tell me. I want to hear your comment in the comment section. Drop it. I want to read your comment. Whatever tutorial you want me, DIY you want me to do, any tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. So I'm through. Can you see our bonnet is almost ready? So if it is the other bonnet that you are doing now, no need for the triangle, just pass in through your elastic, and that will be all for the hair bonnet. Okay, but because we are going to attach rope to the back of our hair bonnet, that's why that opening is still there. So go ahead and distribute the ruffles around the hair bonnet so that one side will not be heavier or ruffled than the other side. Okay, so this is how it looks. Our hair bonnet is really coming out. It is beautiful. The camera is not doing justice to it. It is really beautiful. So I'll go ahead and secure the edges with my sewing machine. Can you see it is reversible? Just one hair bonnet and you can rock it two ways. Can you see? So this is how it looks. So I'll go ahead and secure it. After securing it, then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, so the next thing, you're just going to cut 2 inches by 2 inches by 27 inches. Okay, whichever length you want for your strip or for your beds. So go ahead and do that. Then sew the edge like so as demonstrated, then go again, then opening. At that opening, that's what we use in turning it. Okay, so you are going to make 2 of it, and if you check, it is pattern and plain also. So I'm through sewing it, joining it. So I've secured the edges like so. So I'm trying to cut out the rough and the rope from inside. So I'm just distributing the ruffles again. So the next thing I'm going to do right away now is to attach the belt to the back, and that is the last part of this tutorial. So just go ahead, turn the rope. Can you see that it's 2 that I did? Plain pattern. Okay, just go ahead and turn the rope to the right side. After turning it to the right side, just go ahead and place it on one of the triangles leg. Okay, that opening, I said we should leave 1 inch the other time, so that's why the use of that 1 inch that we left come in. So that's what we are going to fold inside. You're going to fold one side inside, like that is the plain inside. Then you are going to fold the pattern inside also. I hope you understand. Then you are going to put the belt inside, and so I will explain again. You fold the pattern inside, then fold the plain inside, then put the belt in between them, then sew all the way round to the other side, and also fix the other belt at that other side. Okay, so use your pin to secure it. It's not easy to, this part is the difficult part in this hair bonnet. after fixing in the bed. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I want to see your finished work. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.